All right, let's push up. You don't need none. You don't need both. Yeah. You gonna take one hand? Let's do this hand. Come here, Diana. Come here, Diana. Yeah. Good girl.
Jake, thanks very much.
Wow. Yay! Yay, Olivia. All right. Yay! Yay!
He's got Donald Trump, Ben Carson, Mike Huckabee, and Ted Cruz in his evangelical lane, and he realizes that his campaign has a survival question.
Yoga stance.
All four of these candidates have a survival question for the rest of the first debate, and it struck me as he understands the
Say yoga stance. Oh my goodness. I hope you got a shot of that. All right, girlie. Yay! Push. Downward dog. Got that one. Man. Whew. That's how I feel after yoga too. You go see Nina? I'm on tippy toes right now. She's close. She's so close. She can't figure out what to do with her legs, I guess. They gotta go under. No, don't mess with my dirty shoes. Okay. You gonna try it again? You gotta get over on your tummy. Get on your tummy. Now push up. Push. Push. That a girl? That a girl? You wanna walk some more? Look, you don't even need mommy's help. Are you recording?
Mm-hmm.
You didn't even need mommy's help. You let go for a second. Can you stand there? Whoa! Ready? Quit stomping around. Usually she gets tired by me. Girl. Baby. She's getting up on her own. Yay, Olivia! Yay! Oh, sweetheart! Oh. Yay! Yay, Olivia! Yay! Yay, darling! Banana, aren't you? Well, don't stomp on my feet. You can't walk on my Nana's feet. Okay, now, okay, got your balance? Yeah! All of a sudden, she just really wants to do it. Mama, don't cry too hard. Today's the day. Whoops. Boy, she's on a mission. Oh, she is. She's down and determined. Well, I'm trying to figure out how to get my feet up underneath of me. If I flap my wings. She's in her shadow. She's trying to push up. Yeah. We'll go to the couch. Okay. Yay! Yay! Mama.
We have a toddler.
That is definitely a toddler.
We have a toddler. Did you think it would ever happen, ever? Was that you feeding the dogs, Olivia? Were you feeding the dogs?
No.
Were you feeding the dogs? Were you feeding Lucas? We don't feed the dogs. Don't feed the dogs. No, I don't want that. Don't give it to Lucas. No. We don't feed the dogs. No. Don't feed him. Lucas. Don't feed the dogs. You. I saw you.
No.
It wasn't you. It wasn't. Who was it? Who was it laughing in here feeding the dogs? Was it your evil twin? Is she always trying to set you up? I'm sorry. Okay, I'll put. Is that your house? Yeah,
Yeah.
it's your house. Say hello. Is anybody home? And she just did it.
Come here. Oh, there's perfect little girl.
It's that balance thing. She's so proud of herself. I love the grin.
She's like, I'm doing it.
I'm doing it right. I know how to. The hands up help with the balance. Whoopsie! Yay!
Big girl, come here. Come here. Come to mommy. Come to mommy. You gotta turn, huh? That's kind of tricky. Monty. Come on, come to mommy. Whoops. Back up, boys. Yay! Yay! Here, stand up. Come on, let's stand up. Ready?
Okay, we're ready. We're ready.
Yeah! Yay! Hey! Yay!
Olivia. No. Don't sulk.